Are you ready to be amazed by the incredible complexities of the human body? From the skeleton and muscles to the brain and organs, the human body is an incredibly intricate and fascinating machine. In this video, we'll explore some amazing facts about the human body that you may not have known before. Get ready to be astounded and learn about the incredible features and abilities of the human body like never before. 1. The human brain is about 75% water. The human brain is an incredible organ. It is made up of approximately 75% water and is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and movements. It is truly amazing how such a small organ can have such a large impact on our lives. 2. The average adult human has around 20 square feet of skin. This large area of skin not only protects us from the outside world, but also helps regulate our body temperature. Our skin is constantly renewing itself and is made up of three main layers: the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. 3. Humans are born with more bones than they will have as adults. The extra bones gradually fuse together as a child grows. For example, people have 2 bones in their lower leg as infants, but as they mature, the bones fuse together to form the single, large bone of an adult lower leg. 4. The average adult human heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood per day. That means that in a single day, your heart is able to pump enough blood to fill a standard residential swimming pool. 5. Humans exhale about 3.7 million molecules of carbon dioxide with each breath. Our bodies are constantly creating carbon dioxide, and we get rid of it when we exhale. The average human exhales about 3.7 million molecules of carbon dioxide per breath. That's a lot of carbon dioxide. But don't worry, our bodies are designed. 6. Our bodies are around 60% water. Water is essential to human life. It makes up about 60% of our body weight. Every system in our body depends on water. For example, water flushes toxins out of vital organs, carries nutrients to our cells, and provides a moist environment for ear, nose, and throat tissues. 7. The human eye can distinguish between about 10 million colors. This is because the eye has 3 types of color receptors, each of which can perceive a different range of colors. When all 3 receptors are stimulated by different colors of light, the brain perceives a wide range of colors. 8. The average adult human has approximately 100,000 miles of blood vessels. This system of vessels is responsible for transporting blood throughout the body. The average person has about 5 liters of blood, which is circulated through the vessels about once every minute. 9. We blink around 10 times per minute. We usually blink around 10 times per minute, but we can blink up to 400 times per minute when we're tired or when our eyes are dry. Blinking is important because it spreads tears over our eyes, which keeps them healthy. 10. We sneeze at around 100 miles per hour. When we sneeze, the air leaving our mouth and nose can do so at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's enough to break the sound barrier. The reason we sneeze is to expel irritants from our nasal passages. When they are hit by the force of the sneeze, these irritants are forced out of our nose and mouth. 11. The human skeleton contains 206 bones, which provide support for the body and promote movement. The bones also protect vital organs, such as the brain and heart, and produce blood cells. 12. Our DNA is around 3 billion base pairs long. It is made up of 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, and thymine, T. A bonds with T and C bonds with G. These bonds hold the 2 sides of the DNA ladder together. 13. We have around 5 million hair follicles. There are approximately 5 million hair follicles on the human body. Hair follicles are tiny holes in the skin that hair shafts grow out of. The number of hair follicles a person has is determined at birth. 14. We have around 20,000 taste buds on our tongue that help us to taste sweet, salty, sour, and bitter food. Some people have a more sensitive sense of taste than others. There are also some people who can't taste certain things, like cilantro, because of their genes. 15. Our hearts beat about 100,000 times a day, pumping blood throughout our bodies and supplying oxygen and nutrients to our cells. This vital organ is essential for life, and we would not survive for more than a few minutes without it.